This is how I sew my invisible zip into the pattern that I'm working with. I iron the invisible zip flat so that I am able to pin it. I pin it all the way down, both sides, then I mark the bottom where I want it to stop. So, and I'm sewing a sequence fabric, so I will be using the invisible foot. So I will make sure I am a little bit far away from the end of the zip, just to create a little space, so that when I stitch it and when I'm ready to zip it up, it will not, the sequence will not get in between it. Then you want to remove your needle just to make sure you are not you can see I am fighting with it trying to get it right. So I'm gonna try again. And you want to back stitch, then you keep going all the way down. I hope you guys are able to see what I am doing right here. And you can see the zip, but I have to make sure I leave a little bit of room because of the sequence right here, because it's gonna get in between the zipper, so you need to leave space so that you don't have problems when you are about to zip up the zip. You need to make sure you're not stitching on top of your needle, because you don't want it to damage your sewing machine or get your fingers injured. I've done that before, so I know. Trust me, it was a hard lesson. It was very painful for me. So you can see it just seamless. You can see the sequence right there. So that's why I have to leave a little bit of room so that I don't have problem when I'm ready to zip up the zipper up. So I'm gonna do the second one, and I will now switch my zipper foot, switch the side, want to look at your sewing just to make sure you are not out of line. You are still in the right direction. And you look for where your markings stop and you backstitch. You have to take that out. So you can see the other side as well. And this is the second side. I will go ahead and zip it up. Then I'll show you guys what I was trying to prevent. And here is what I was trying to show you guys right over here. You can see the sequence. I have to make sure I'm able to zip it up without the sequence interrupting the zip. So we still have a nice finished look right here. And you want to make sure you have, you should have, should be close to the color of your fabric as much as you can. I can find the lilac, that's what I wanted to use. So the one that I used at first, I did not like it. It didn't come out right. So I went ahead and used this wine color. So I hope this is helpful.